Have you ever heard the word AI and thought, I should probably understand that by now? You're not alone.
Most explanations of artificial intelligence are confusing, fast, and full of tech jargon. That's why this channel exists. To break down AI in plain English using simple language, clear visuals, and calm, friendly explanations. No buzzwords, no coding, just clarity. Whether you're a non-technical professional, a curious student, or just someone who wants to keep up with tech conversations at work, you're in the right place. Here, you'll find short explainers, hands-on AI tool guides, 1-minute visual shorts, all 100% beginner-friendly. We make AI make sense. So, if you're ready to feel smarter about AI, one simple video at a time, subscribe now to AI Basics Explained. Let's learn together.